this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on secure boot from your BIOS. So if you have a Windows computer, you may need to go and turn on secure boot in order to play certain games. Now, the very first step is to open up the start menu. You can then search for system information and click on this window here. You can then scroll down and you'll see this option called secure boot state, and we need to make sure this is turned on. So if it's currently turned off, I'm going to show you how to enable this. Now, all we need to do is open up the start menu. You could then click on settings. In the left hand side, click on Windows Update. You could then scroll down and click on advanced options. Scroll down and click on recovery. Where it says advanced startup, go and click on restart now. You could then click on the restart now button. Now after a few seconds, that will restart your computer in the recovery mode. So from this window, we need to go and select troubleshoot. Click on advanced options and then click on UEFI firmware. You can then go and select restart, and after a few seconds this will start your computer in the BIOS window. Now from this page, you can go and use your keyboard to move around the different settings. You can also use your mouse to click on things as well. So first thing we need to do is come over to the advanced settings in your BIOS window. Now I'm just going to click on advanced settings at the bottom, but you can also do this with the keyboard shortcut as well. And this is usually the F7 key on your keyboard. Now to go and disable the secure boot, this will depend on your model of computer. So you may need to do a quick Google search on your model of computer and where to find the secure boot option, but I'm going to show you where to find it on an Asus computer now, and this will also work with some other models as well. So I'm just going to click on this boot option in the top navigation, and then you'll see compatibility support module. Go and click on this, and you'll just need to make sure this is turned off and disabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, and you'll need to look for an option called secure boot, which is just this one on my computer. You can then click on secure boot mode, and you'll need to make sure this is enabled. Now, if you don't have the option for enabled, go and click on the drop down next to OS type and set this to Windows UEFI mode. Now this option, Windows UEFI mode, is essentially the same as setting secure boot to enabled. You can then go and save your changes by coming over to exit, and you can click on save changes and reset. Now, if secure boot is still disabled, then you'll need to come back over to your BIOS page and you'll need to go and change the secure boot mode from custom to standard. And once you've done that, you can go and save your changes once again, and secure boot mode should now be enabled.